Okay. I chose sobriety checkpoints because I believe they are important. They basically keep people safe. They keep drunk drivers and civilians safe almost every time they do it. They keep drunk drivers from driving all the way home. They keep civilians safe if they're out on the streets walking or just enjoying life, and maybe someday they will get hit by a drunk driver. Checkpoints extremely decrease the likelihood of getting hit by a drunk driver. In 1990, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that checkpoints were permissible in a case called Michigan versus Sitz, S-I-T-Z. That is currently from Forbes.com. The quote shows that checkpoints are a very strong legal standpoint, and again, they protect lives. They are extremely important to society, especially during the holidays when people are out drinking, having fun, going to parties. Having checkpoints, it helps people. It helps people. For being justified, checkpoints are justified by pretty much their specific purpose. Their purpose is to protect people and to keep people out of harm's way. Some statistics, according to NHSTA.gov, 13,384 people died in alcohol-impaired driving in 2021. That's also a 14% increase from 2020. So, as you can look at it, COVID was in 2020. People get out of COVID, and mental health issues are a issue when it comes to driving drunk, but that is a completely different issue that can be addressed in another video. Some people think that sobriety checkpoints are a violation of the Fourth Amendment. I disagree with that because they are not searching your car unless they have probable cause to. If you're slurring your words, if you're looking extremely tired, if your eyes are red, that there's a likelihood that you could be driving impaired, and an officer's duty is to make sure you're not driving impaired and to make sure that you are driving safe. And again, police officers won't search your car if you're not impaired. They're not going to search your car. They're going to do the plain view search. They're going to shine their flashlight into the windows of the car to see if they can find anything illegal or that shouldn't be there in your car, which is completely legal in the court of law. So again, it is not a violation of the Fourth Amendment because they're not breaking the illegal search and seizure rule. Overall, sobriety checkpoints are needed to stop drunk driving. They are extremely important to deter people from driving drunk. I mean, I know from personal experience, I have heard people say that they're going to get a DD tonight because they know there's going to be checkpoints on the main highways. So even telling the public too that there is going to be checkpoints helps out too, because people are going to take more precautions. They're not going to drive drunk. They're going to have maybe a DD instead of driving drunk. So all in all, having a sobriety checkpoint is extremely important. It's extremely smart too for city legislators that make the laws and decide on the decisions to post the sobriety checkpoints. So thank you.